What if you could have an AI teammate handling the boring, repetitive parts of your work? That's the intriguing premise we're exploring today, with a full demo overview of Pipefy. This review will break down exactly how Pipefy uses AI agents and no-code workflows to transform how teams manage everything from IT requests to customer onboarding. The platform positions itself as an enterprise-ready system that centralizes all your service processes into one unified automated environment. The positives are significant. The AI can instantly process incoming requests using natural language. The automation capabilities can connect to thousands of apps, and the no-code aspect means business teams can build solutions themselves, freeing up IT. On the downside, the effectiveness of the AI is entirely dependent on how well the workflows are initially designed, and there might be a learning curve for teams completely new to process automation concepts. In essence, Pipefy is a robust tool for democratizing process automation and driving efficiency. Pipefy offers 4 main pricing tiers, starting with a free plan for small teams, which includes Pipefy AI up to 5 processes and 10 users. The business plan, designed for scaling teams, adds unlimited processes, users, API access, and role-based security. The most popular option is the enterprise plan, which builds on business with advanced features like single sign-on, custom email domains. Finally, the unlimited plan provides ultimate power for large organizations, offering unlimited automation, database records, storage, and expert implementation support, with all plans featuring the core Pipefy AI functionality. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching.